Enjoying your patio on a sunny day is great, but it can quickly get too hot without the right shade. Patio shades not only protect you from heat and harmful UV rays, but also add style to your space. In this guide, we'll explore different options like outdoor blinds, roller shades, and canopies. According to Todd Harmon, co-founder of Patio Productions, the key factors to consider are your budget, personal style, and weather resistance. Now, let's dive into the best patio shades to enhance your outdoor space. At number 5, we have the Shatex Sunshade Cloth. This option is the best shade cloth, providing versatile and effective sun protection for various outdoor spaces. A shade cloth is an easy-to-install choice for those who want a less permanent patio shade. As long as there is a post or structure to attach the shade cloth to, all it takes to install is some rope or bungee balls. The Shatex Sunshade Cloth comes with bungee balls to tie it onto a pergola, gazebo, or support posts. The shade cloth itself is essentially a large swatch of HDP fabric with reinforced edges and grommets spaced around its perimeter. Due to its material, it blocks up to 90% of UV rays, but it's also breathable to prevent areas from getting stuffy. The synthetic material is easy to clean. Just wash it off with a garden hose, and it won't take too long to dry. Coming in at number 4, we have the Nicetown Double-Grommet Outdoor Curtain. These are the best patio curtains, offering both privacy and shade with a stylish design. The Nicetown Double-Grommet Outdoor Curtain has grommets along both the top and bottom of the curtain, making it possible to fix these curtains in place for better sun protection. They won't flap in the wind and leave users exposed. Use a rod on the top and a rod along the bottom. If that feels like a tripping hazard, curtain weights will work as well. This curtain is made from a triple-weave polyester material that's waterproof. This means it can provide ample privacy and protection from the rain as well. If it gets dirty, cleaning this curtain panel is easy since it's machine washable. And it comes in a range of colors and sizes to suit pretty much any patio space. In the third spot, it's the Artpuch Rectangle Sunshade Sail. This is the best shade sail, delivering a practical and attractive solution for creating shaded areas on your patio. The Artpuch Shade Sail offers a flexible solution for covering patios and exposed areas where rolling shades may be impractical. Available in triangular or rectangular shapes, it comes in various colors and sizes, from 4 by 4 feet to 30 by 20 feet, to suit different spaces. Made from HDP fabric, it blocks up to 95% of UV rays, providing excellent sun protection while remaining breathable to avoid heat buildup. Installation is straightforward, but support posts may be needed, requiring additional effort. The sail includes durable steel D-rings, though users must supply their own supports, hardware, and ropes. At number 2, we have the Radiance Bamboo Outdoor Roll-Up Shade. This shade offers the best bang for the buck, combining affordability with a natural, elegant look. The Radiance Bamboo Outdoor Roll-Up Shade is a budget-friendly option for large covered patios. Made from bamboo, it adds a rustic, natural aesthetic that blends well with outdoor spaces. While affordable, these shades lack certain features. They must be manually rolled up and tied in place, which might be inconvenient for some users. However, this design eliminates the need for cords, making it safer for children and pets. The bamboo construction ensures good airflow while filtering light, and the simple design enhances the rustic appeal without any bulky mechanisms. And finally, at number 1, we have the Coolaroo Outdoor Roller Shade. This is the best overall, featuring durable construction and excellent sun protection, making it the top choice for any patio. The Coolaroo Outdoor Roller Shade is our top pick for the best outdoor shades, and it's our favorite choice for covered patios, too. It has a traditional roller shade design, but it's crafted from durable modern materials. The shade is made using knitted HDP fabric, which looks sleek and is easy to clean. The knit construction allows air to flow through, helping to keep patio spaces cool, while also blocking up to 90% of UV rays. The entire unit is weather-resistant, so it will hold up against moisture, mold, mildew, and sun fading. Mounted on an aluminum headrail, this exterior patio shade is sturdy. It has a wand crank mechanism, which means it's cordless, so it's safe for homes with children and pets as well. We hope you found the perfect patio shade to cool your outdoor retreat. Now install your new sun shelter for backyard magic. Be sure to subscribe for gardening and landscaping tips. See you next time as we scout more ways to maximize your yard's potential.